Hey everyone, this is James, and today we're going to explore a simple yet powerful technique called box breathing. Think of it as giving your mind a little reset button whenever you need it. Box breathing has four equal steps, like tracing a square with your breath. Let's walk through it together. 1. Inhale for 4 counts slowly, filling your lungs. 2. Hold your breath for 4 counts. Notice the calm that comes with the pause. 3. Exhale for 4 counts, letting tension drift away. And then 4. Hold again for 4 counts before starting the next round. Each round is a full square. In, hold, out, hold. Box breathing isn't just a neat trick, it's science-backed. Here's why it works: reduces stress and anxiety, slows down our racing thoughts, improves focus and clarity, perfect for a big task or a meeting, builds resiliency, helps your body respond calmly to pressure. Even just 3 rounds can make a noticeable difference, and the best part, you can do it anywhere, at your desk, on a walk, or before bed. So next time life feels chaotic, remember slow, steady, square breaths. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Your mind and body will thank you later. And here's another reminder from the Zen Den: find your center, find your balance. This is the way.